Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the Yamaha YPX500 desktop speakers. I've got the silver one and the black one, and let's get straight to unboxing it. So first off, we have some leaflets, the usual, your warranty card, some product information, and your manual, your warranty card, how to connect it, how to set it up. Comes with a audio cable, 3.5mm to 3.5. Looks like it's a vacuum packing. It's a clicky box. And there you have one of the speakers. Let me get that in focus. Nice metal finish at the front. It's nice heavy weight. Nice angular design. In the back this is just the other side, so you connect this to the powered version. So you got one that's powered and the audio comes to it, then you have the audio that comes from the other side to the speaker. So let's open up the other one. And as you can see, it's got your, that's upside down. It's got your power button on and off, and your volume, and your headphone jack, and also the same kind of finish. This one seems heavier than the other one, and here you can see them side by side. So let's turn it on and see what the sound quality is like. So I don't know if you can hear that from my camera microphone, but the sound is actually really good for these small speakers. Even the bass is good, punchy. This desktop speakers is definitely a plus. So for the price of only $100, I would definitely buy this and recommend it for your PC or laptop speakers.